Welcome to iTechnolabs. Today, we're revealing the plan to create an app like Dofu Sports. Dofu Sports App provides live scores, game stats, and easy live streaming of various sports events with a user-friendly design. Let's dive into the steps to make your own enjoyable sports app with iTechnolabs. Step 1. Market research. Explore the sports app market, understand what users like, and check out other apps. Step 2. Understand your app's strengths and challenges. Identify what your app excels at and where it might face challenges. Use this insight to position your app effectively, drawing inspiration from the success of Dofu Sports App. Step 3. Define your target audience. Know your users, their age, what sports they like, and what they expect. Design your app to fit their needs. Step 4. Choose the right technology stack. Look at different options for building your app. Pick what fits your needs and budget. Make sure your app runs well. Ready to bring your sports app vision to life? Contact iTechnolabs today. Let's come up with new ideas, work together, and make your app journey a big success. Thanks for watching.